Can't hide it, can't fight it. So come on, let's get it started.